What's up, everybody? My name's Brandon. We're out here at San Diego, California, KCX USA Training. First training on the road. Let's go check it out. We're here with Hector from H2O Auto Detail Supply. Built us this really sick cart that we're gonna take back for our trainings in Atlanta. Hector, tell us a little bit about this thing.
Yeah, this cart is one of one, and we built this specifically for Diego's needs, which is one of the official trainers for KCX. And of course, the main thing, we wanted it to also represent your brand, and as well as have the uniqueness that you guys provide, and also have the same excellence. So with this detailing cart, it has all your necessities. You pretty much need nothing apart. You literally have your pressure washer on there, you have your power, you have your water. It's completely set up with all its reels, 50-foot hoses, even a filter right here, so no water spots at all. And of course, your lovely products like KCX itself.
Yeah, this thing's cool, man. Shout out Hector, shout out H2O Auto Detail Supply. I can't wait to get this car back to Atlanta and use it in the future trainings.
So welcome everybody to day 2 to the Pathway of Excellence by Koch-Chemie. And today we're talking about marketing, mindsets, and building. We're also going to be talking about paint corrections, and compounds, and some of the basic sealants that we have and that are available through Koch-Chemie. It's going to be an incredible day to finish off.
We're here with Josh V at his shop for the first KCX USA training on the road. And for Josh being so generous to let us host this training here, we got you a present.
What is this? Is there a...
There you go.
There we go.
Yeah, we had to keep it wrapped fancy.
Wow, rad! That is incredible, guys. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at that. Yeah, I'm honored, man. I'm honored to be able to offer the training for the first time outside of the normal out in Georgia. So it was incredible time. Everyone seems to be having a great time.
Yeah, I think so. I think it's going really well, and your shop's incredible. And
Thank you very much.
Thankful
man. I appreciate
for letting us do this. Here.
Absolutely. No, this is super nice. You guys didn't have to do this. This is incredible.
Oh yeah, man.
Super heavy too, huh?
Yeah.
That's
yeah, man.
Where are you gonna put it? Thank you very much. Right up front here. I got a little shelf right in the front here. I'm gonna flop it up there and
Perfect.
Get it all dialed in.
First company that is actually doing training about explaining their chemicals, the process, and so forth. But this has been a wealth of knowledge, and I am so glad that I attended it.
For me, I've always felt like I've wanted to be my own boss. I believe being your own boss, that's the key to freedom. Obviously, if you're your own boss, right away when you start a business, you're not gonna have that freedom. But that's the end goal, to have that freedom to be your own boss, work when you want to, go to vacation when you want to, be with your family when you want to. That's freedom, but that's the end goal.
The dilution rates is huge. You think you know as a detailer all the dilution rates, but then this class kind of opened my eyes and made me understand it and made it a lot easier.
A lot of people have this misconception that the product line is expensive, but it's because they don't really understand that they're very strong products and they need to be diluted at a certain ratio in order for it to be more cost effective, and the product's actually designed to work better like that as well.
Before we go, they're breaking down training, but we're going to leave some parting gifts around Josh's shop. So,
Yeah, I take all the pads. Probably let go.
thanks for hosting, Josh. I hope you have fun finding your stickers. At the KCX USA training, when you're not outside washing the car, you're going to be inside in the classroom, really getting into the product line and learning more and more about it and about how it works. And Diego's going to tell us more.
Yeah, I mean, this is probably the best mindset experience that you can have with a chemical. I mean, Koch-Chemie is set up to get you to your highest peak performance. That's really what it is about. It's not just a bottle, it's a way of detailing life, and that's what we want to share with you. We want to do a deep dive into what the whole full Koch-Chemie lineup is all about and share with you our brand thoughts, ideas, and know-hows.
So if you want to know more about the product line, sign up for a training.